Many of you may be thinking that, sir, after pursuing my MTech or MS from different IITs, I am going to be millionaire, billionaire or something. After pursuing MTech or MS from different IITs or any reputed college or from abroad, what is the lifestyle? What will be your lifestyle? What will be your achievements in life after pursuing MTech or MS in IITs or from any reputed college? So, lot of myths are roaming around us in our society that if a person is IITian from any if a person has pursued MTech from any IIT, then the person is going to be rocking in their life. They are going to be the next Sir APJ Abdul Kalam, or they are going to be the next Kalpana Chawla, Sunita Williams, like that they may be thinking. But see, actually, if you are from IIT, I mean, if you are pursuing MS or MTech in any IIT, no doubt they are the best available platforms in our country, India, right? So, if any platform is best, then that is a platform. Okay, they are not gods. They are not gods. They are not going to say you tathastu. It means they are not going to say you that all your wishes will come true in your life. This is the medicine. Eat this, take this. That's all. You are going to be next Sundar Pichai. No, guys. Actually, see, when you are doing any MTech or MS from any IITs, see, lot of things are dependent on each other. In which department you have done MTech? For example, if someone is doing MTech in textile, if someone is doing MTech in aerospace, okay, and in that IIT any textile company is coming, but they are looking for that kind of student who is very good in a particular software which is being used in textile company. It means what? In their campus selection, there is a textile company coming, right? Okay, same thing if you are doing your aero from any IITs. In that, suppose you are doing aero in propulsion department, but imagine a very reputed company is coming to the particular IIT, and they are also looking for a person who has done propulsion, but suppose their requirement is slightly different. They are not looking for a master degree person who is doing propulsion. They are actually looking for a person who is a perfect person in a particular software. Perfect means who has very good command on a particular software. So they will take interview, and then that's all. This is the job. Actually, see, when you are from any IIT or when you are doing masters or PhD in any IIT, your job does not depend on only one thing, that you are MTech from a particular IIT. No, your job does not depend only on this name. Your job will be depending on the market also. Market means which company is coming to the campus selection, and in that company what is the requirement they are looking for. Just imagine, if there is a student, this student is topper, okay, and topper of like kind of gold medal, she has got gold medalist type of student, and now during MTech also CGPA is very good. Suppose just imagine 9.2, 9.5, this kind of CGPA the person is collecting in their master degree, okay, and suppose just imagine he has done aerodynamics in his master degree, but imagine there is a reputed aircraft manufacturing company is coming, but that company is not looking for this particular thing. Suppose this company is looking for someone who wants to pursue their career in material science, or they have requirement something which is not matching with your requirement. So this is how you may not be eligible to get the job in the company. But there is one more thing. After seeing your achievements of your master degree program, during your master degree program, they may be impressed to hire you for their company, because in their aircraft manufacturing companies, even you are going to play a very important role in that field where you are properly skilled up, right? It means what? Sometimes when student is properly skilled, then student is going to get the job in the company, but not because of the requirement of the company, but because the person is intelligent, the person is skilled up for a particular software or for a particular language like Python or something. Because of that skill, company will hire you. Okay, this is one case. Another case is you are not a very good student, you are not doing very good in your masters, you are really doing worst and you are not having proper confidence, but fortunately whatever software, whatever language or whatever course you are pursuing in the MTech, 3 companies came only for that requirement. So there is huge chance that even though you are not worth in your friend's view, in your professor's view, in your guide's view, but there is huge chance that you will be getting this job. Okay, so now I will clarify the myth. If you are thinking that after pursuing your MTech you will not get the job, because many people are saying this, that my friend or my cousin or my relatives, they could not get very good job offer, they could not make lot of money after MTech. It is their own mistake. Okay, it is not the mistake of IIT, because IIT is the best platform where you can get the job. I mean, where you can learn to get the job. If you are not able to get the job from IIT, it does not mean that you are not capable, because there are so many things to earn money. If you see your lifestyle with respect to money, then I'm saying, and it is totally not true that from MTech is not worth, from MTech you don't have job. I know lot of my seniors, lot of my classmates, lot of my juniors, lot of my students. I'm saying students, you may be knowing that I am teaching GATE exam, for GATE exam aerospace engineering students. It's been 8+ years I am teaching. I have qualified GATE Aerospace 6 times, and I am running a full-fledged coaching center for GATE Aerospace. So I know lot of ideas, and I know lot of people who could not become successful after pursuing their masters. But many people, they did not do their masters properly, but still they are rocking, they are doing very well. And of course they have some people, they have done masters, but they are making every lifestyle. Not only that, there are many people, they have done their aero, they could not complete their masters, they did not do masters, they could not qualify GATE exam even, but still they are performing very well. And if you consider that from their day one job, right now they are getting 30 lakhs per annum. Okay, without GATE score, without qualifying GATE score, without pursuing MTech. So it is all about the situation, it is all about the company what you are going through in the beginning. Okay, some people, they get 10k per month in the very beginning, just after aero, just after BTech or BE. Okay, and they join any core company. Core company means where R&D type of work is happening on any software. Okay, it is, see, mostly what will happen, you will be working like a data, like you will be working on a data, put the data, get the answer. This kind of job you'll be getting in the very beginning. Okay, you will not feel that properly. Maybe you will be working on some CAT, or maybe you will be doing some kind of coding, Python or something. Okay, so in the beginning, many people, they get 10k, and they don't know how to earn well, how to switch company, they have no idea. Those things they will learn once they will join the company. Then very soon, after 2 to 3 years, their salary will be amazing. You can expect 80 to 90 to 1 point something, this much per month, in within 2 to 3 years. Okay, they will start from 10k, and there are people, they will start from 30k, and even after 2 to 3 years their salary will be 45k. So it's all about understanding of the market, because after clearing, so my main motto is, like after MTech or MS, whatever myths are there, those myths are actually taken from 1 or 2 stories, which is totally wrong. On average, what is happening, on average everyone is being successful after MTech or MS. Thank you so much, let's meet in next video.